Hey guys, how's it going? It's that time of the month where subscription boxes are starting to roll in. So we have the unboxing for this month's Boxycharm. I have not opened this guy yet. I figured I would wait and do it with you guys on here. And of course, I'm always excited to get these. It's like Christmas every month. So let's get going. So like always, they have a theme. This month is vacation. So this is supposed to be a springy type getaway theme thing. So the first product, obviously I'm just grabbing from the top, and it happens to be the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. Looks like it is fiber wand. It says 200% thicker lashes, 314% increase in lash curl, which I can appreciate that. I always need curl in my lashes. This guy retails for $20. It says the interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. This may finally be a mascara I can get behind. I just used the Tarteist Lash Paint recently in my full face using Boxycharm products only. I will link that if you have not seen it yet. But I'm liking that, but I really like when my lashes can hold a curl. It takes a while. Everything just weighs them down usually. So if this can actually hold a curl for me, I'm gonna be happy. Starting off strong. Okay, so next we have the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Hush Blush. And I am in love with this packaging. Pretty Vulgar tends to package their things really well, and this is just so gorgeous. Look at how cute this is. Looks like a nice kind of rosy tone. I'm gonna swatch it because I know this is something I'll be keeping. I love these color blushes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I like that a lot. Seems like it's something that isn't super pigmented right away and blends out fairly easy, which means that I should like it a lot. There's a win for me again. There we go. And the blush retails for $26. It says Make Them Blush Powder Blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. The silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. I've been really into using my blushes also in my crease and just trying to make that monochromatic look, and I think this is a blush that will work really well with that. I like blushes. I don't know why, because they're always so hit or miss for me, but I enjoy them so much. Okay, so the next thing we have, are these South Main Under Eye Gel Packs. So they're supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. I will give anything that says it's going to reduce dark circles a chance. That never really happens though. That's a big lie. I feel like I've been told from cosmetics companies for years and years and years. So these retail for $10. I need to do an eye mask. I haven't done one in quite a while. Hear the dog? Do you hear it? I will definitely probably use this week. There's only 2 products left. I feel like I'm going pretty fast with this guy. These are cute. So this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. This is a brush trio. It will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. So you have a regular shadow brush, a packer brush, and a smudger brush. All things needed to create a smoky eye, so that makes sense. This retails for $23.15. For 3 brushes? All right. Well, what do you know? This is a really cute idea. I like the vintage cosmetics packaging. I like vintage looking things. This I'm a fan of. Probably won't use those though, even though I always say you can never have too many brushes. I just recently got a bunch of eye brushes, so I may add this to a giveaway coming up. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. Who doesn't love getting eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharm? Let's be honest. So this is from Pure. They did a collaboration with Boxycharm this month. I was like, why isn't this opening? There's tape on it. I'm a genius. Oop, laundry's done. Jesus Jones. I can't get this undone. I need scissors. Hallelujah. The colors in this palette are gorgeous. I absolutely adore them. There's some nice peachy shades. We got some purples. I'm really digging this blue. It looks really pretty. I've never used a blue like that on my eyes before. I'm being adventurous today and I put green on and I still don't know how I feel about it. But that blue is gorgeous and I want to try it out. So this palette retails for $36. That is nuts to me. This transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. I've never layered shimmer shades before. I should think about doing that. I feel like that would be really cool. But $36, and this only has 12 shades. Would it really retail for that much? I haven't ever used a pure eyeshadow palette, so I don't know what their prices are usually. But I will say, I'm excited. Ugh, you know what? Let's swatch the blue, because I really want to know what that looks like. Ooh, that's smooth. I'm just gonna put it next to the blush here. Seems like it's definitely something you're gonna have to build up, but it'll be really pretty when you do. I really like that color. I think that's really fun. Now that's not something I would wear to work ever, but on a weekend with the girlies, that might be fun. All right, I wanna swatch a matte shade too, just to see how the matte swatch. I'm just gonna swatch the purpley one. I mean, it feels pretty good. It isn't the best feeling, but it's not the worst feeling either. Not gonna lie. The swatches aren't so great. They kind of seem like they're going to be patchy, but it could translate differently on the eyes. The colors are beautiful though. I'll definitely have to play around with this one. So that was everything in my March Boxycharm. It's actually a pretty good one. I like the blush. I'll definitely try out that mascara. The eye masks I can always use. And this palette is really pretty looking. So not bad. Not bad. Maybe Boxycharm is stepping up their game a little bit. I haven't been overly excited with the last few months, but they have progressively gotten better. Let's hope that stays that way. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I am almost at 100. I'm like this close. Big announcement coming up in the next couple weeks here for once I hit 200. Hint, hint. But take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next one.